You're in Vietnam driving down the street. You're pretty hungry. It's the morning. You don't know what to do. You see a street food place. You're thinking, well, how can I order food? I want to show you how to do that without getting ripped off and how to do that while eating like a local. So we're here at a place that says, come, Auntie Hiệp, come. We want to learn how to say a couple things. So you want to say lê, which means like give or serve, lê. We'll use mình as like a common pronoun to describe yourself. Lấy mình một. Give me one. We're also gonna learn how to say how much so we don't get ripped off. We'll say bao nhiêu. Ask how much it is. Dạ, chào cô. Dạ, một dĩa cơm là bao nhiêu?
30.000.
Dạ, lấy con một dĩa cái này là thịt kho trứng đúng không cô? Dạ. Lấy một dĩa thịt kho trứng. Dạ. Cảm ơn cô. So we got lots of different food here. And what you could do is you could just point, you know, to what I want this or this or this. You don't have to know that this is called thịt kho trứng. That's what it is called. So we understood that she said the rice is 30,000 and we use the verb lê. I can't remember if we said lê con or lê mình. For an auntie, for her, for cô over there, it'd be lê con một dĩa. If you're talking about, so if you're talking about a plate, it's a dĩa. If you're talking about a bowl, it's a tô, lấy một tô.
Có tiếng Việt Nam rành ghê không? Qua đây bao nhiêu năm rồi?
Dạ, ở Việt Nam 8 năm rồi.
À, 8 năm rồi hả?
Yeah. Alright, so we got our thịt kho trứng, which is basically braised pork, and then a plate of rice. People are excited to see a new person here. And some canh chua, which is a sour soup. Cái này canh chua phải không cô?
Canh chua.
Yeah. Alright, we successfully ordered. So, things to remember. Lê, give or serve. Một, one. Dĩa, plate. Lấy một dĩa. And then we learned a new vocab word, thịt kho trứng. So you're gonna see lots of things here at a Vietnamese table. You'll see these little bowls. These are for putting sauce in. So if you wanted some of this fish sauce here, you could put it in a little bowl. If you wanted some soy sauce, you could do the same thing. Or more just plain fish sauce. This one has some flavor to it. When you use the utensils at a street food place, find the napkins, grab a couple napkins, grab a pair of chopsticks, wipe them off. They're probably clean already, but you're just doing a little insurance here. Train. All right, so you've wiped off your utensils. Let's try a little bit of this out. I'm starving. Rice, got a little bit of the egg. It's filling my stomach. The sour soup is dank. Don't sleep on the sour soup. Probably my favorite part of the meal. Sour soup is a very traditional, classic Vietnamese soup. Basically made with vegetables, and it tastes a little bit sour. Oftentimes you'll see it made with a fish or a fish head. It's really good. You can eat that with white rice and just eat that as a meal alone. Let's see what is this guy doing? Cô ơi, con không biết gọi nhiều món. Cô giấy còn được không? Món này là
đậu hũ nhồi thịt.
Đậu hũ.
Nhồi thịt.
Nhồi thịt.
Cái này là thịt kho măng.
Thịt kho măng.
Và kho xả ớt.
Kho xào ớt.
Chiên quay đưa chiên. Đùi gà chiên.
Đùi gà chiên.
Thịt nướng.
Thịt nướng.
Cá ba sa.
Cá ba sa.
Cá chơi.
Cá chơi.
Cá ngừ.
Cá ngừ.
Thịt luộc.
Thịt
Chấm
luộc.
mắm nêm.
Ok. Thịt luộc.
Chấm mắm nêm.
Cá mắm nêm. I don't. Cá.
Dạ.
Cái này là cá.
Chấm.
Chấm.
Mắm nêm nè, đây nè, mắm nêm nè.
Mắm.
Đây nè. Chấm đây nè.
Chấm mắm nêm.
Chấm mắm nêm.
Dạ con hiểu. Dạ. Ok. Này là thịt heo đúng không?
Heo.
Dạ. Dạ. Ok. Cảm ơn cô. Dạ con đang làm video về người nước ngoài gọi món ở Việt Nam. Dạ.
Đồ ăn Việt Nam là good luôn á.
Yeah, Vietnamese food is good. Đồ ăn Việt Nam rất là ngon.
Vừa rẻ vừa ngon nữa.
Yeah.
Vừa rẻ nữa.
Vừa rẻ vừa ngon. Yeah. She's right. It's cheap and it's delicious. So, when we want to ask for the bill, we would say, tính tiền. Tính tiền cô ơi.
30.
Yeah. So 30,000. Cảm ơn cô. Dạ cô con té quán này là tên là Quán Hiệp, cô là tên là Hiệp phải không cô? Dạ chào cô Hiệp. Ok, chào mọi người. So if you are with a date, I'm not, but let's say you were with a woman and you wanted to like impress her. When you order the bill, you say tin tin, and then when it's coming, don't let her pay. You're gonna say để anh bao. So she could be like sitting here. She'd say something like, đồ ăn rất là ngon. You'd say something like, ngon hả? Yeah. Cô ơi, tin tiền. And she'd be like a little bit nervous, a little shy. And you'd be like, đừng lo, don't worry, để anh bao. Let me pay. Let's go get a coffee. We're all full here. Come here to Cô Hiệp place, Wine Hiệp in Tháp Chàm, Phan Rang, Ninh Thuận. Thưa cô, con đi. Dạ, cảm ơn nhiều. Cảm ơn anh. All right, we're gonna go get some coffee. All right, so you got your food. Now you want your coffee. You're gonna use the same verb, lay, and then you can use men. So lay men mo, 1 mo. Ly, so instead of a year, which was a plate, this time it's a cup, so it's a ly. And then we're gonna say cafe. So lay men mo, ly cafe. And I might just say am to him. I sometimes refer to the other pronouns, but yeah. I know. Lấy nên một ly cafe. Yeah. The thing about the Vietnamese pronouns, so you've got am is younger person, like younger brother, younger sister. An is older brother, chị is older sister, and then it goes up and down based on age. So I'll just do the male ones. So am, younger sister, an, or am, older brother, am, younger brother, an, older brother, chú, older brother, grandpa. On the female side, am, younger sister, chị, older sister, cô, older sister, bà, grandma. If you want to speak Vietnamese correctly, you'll be using each pronoun correctly in each situation. But mình is like a universal thing. You can use that. Maybe not the most polite thing in the world to say to an older person, like much older, but it works. And It's better than saying lấy tôi. That's a little bit weird and too formal, like too business-like. So we got our coffee. Let's wait till that comes out. We have about 5 minutes till the coffee comes. So let me teach you one more thing to do in Vietnam. Cross the street. Look both ways. So we're looking that way, we can go. And we're looking this way. What we can do is put our hand up, and then people will naturally go around us. I was summoned by this, I don't know, little dirt alley. I felt like I got 5 minutes till my coffee comes. I got to explore. Let's try not to get eaten by a dog. The sun is relentless out here. Bruh. There's just 2 dogs just chilling right there. But the sun is just too much. I can't handle that. Gonna get out. Except for all this trash. That's not very nice. Let's review. Ôn tập. Important verb we learned. Lê, give. Một, one. Lấy một dĩa, give 1 plate. Lấy một ly, give 1 cup or give 1 glass. So, lấy một dĩa cơm, give me a plate of rice. Lấy một ly cà phê, give me a glass of coffee. In the in the Vietnamese wilderness. Let's go see how Han's doing today. She's the bánh lady. This is how you want to dress, by the way, in the sun. Cross the street one more time. Hand up. The motorbikes are pretty close to you now. Hello. Hello. How are you? High five. Hello, Hein. How are you today?
I'm good, thank you.
Good. So her English is good. I'm good. I'm good. Thank you, Hein.
Yes, yes.
Thank you, Em Hein.
Thái.
I'm Thai. You remember my name? Em Hein biết nói tiếng Anh giỏi.
Cũng sơ sơ thôi, sơ sơ.
No, you speak well.
Thôi bạn à.
You speak well. I'm making a video.
Gói trọng ngọt.
Mình quay phim về
Sống hàng ngày ở đây á hả?
yeah, nhưng mà video này là về với người nước ngoài gọi món Việt Nam, nói vậy lấy mình một dĩa, lấy mình một ly cà phê hay
Đây ly
Yeah,
cà phê đúng không?
yeah.
Nói tiếng Việt được đó.
yeah.
Thì
So.
ở cũng lâu rồi mẹ, ở đây cũng lâu rồi. 8 năm.
What,
Ca dữ kìa hả?
what's that?
Thanh Long. Ra gần
Thanh
Phước.
Long.
Ai?
Yeah.
Long. Biết ăn không? Biết ăn không? Chắc không quá.
Yeah, biết.
Ăn thử miếng đi, ăn thử miếng.
Okay.
Nó chua chua ngọt ngọt.
Okay. So a little bit sweet.
Mát lắm.
Just eat it.
Dễ ăn, dễ ăn.
Okay.
Ăn thử đi. Dễ ăn mà, dễ ăn lắm, không có khó ăn đâu.
Được. Very good.
Thái ăn sầu riêng chưa?
Yeah, anh sầu riêng một lần rồi. Nhưng mà không thích. Không thích.
Đây mà. Nói chung là người nước ngoài là họ sẽ rất khó ăn sầu riêng.
Yeah, có ăn.
Có em mùi á ha.
Yeah.
Nó hơi, đối với mình thì thơm nhưng mà người ta sẽ thấy nó nặng mùi.
Yeah. Yeah, nghe mùi không tốt. They're talking about durian, not good. It smells weird. Ngon.
Ngon đúng không? Ngọt chua
Ngon.
chua.
Ít ngọt.
Rồi nó
Ít ngọt nhưng mà ngon.
nó không có ngọt nhiều, nó không có ngọt nhiều.
Dạ, không ngọt nhiều.
Đưa đây.
Cảm ơn em. Dạ. Rồi. Chào mọi người. Cảm ơn mời con ăn cà phê với mọi người. Thank you guys.
Rồi,
Bye.
chào.
Bye, see ya. Bye, Hang. All right, let's get our coffee. Ah, yes, ready. Let's ask him how much. Bao nhiêu anh?
30.
30. 30,000. All right. Cảm ơn nhiều anh. Cảm ơn anh nhiều. Người Pháp không tốt. Cảm ơn anh nhiều. Anh nhiều. Không phải là anh yêu là anh nhiều. All right. Sometimes I say like I don't put the down accent on the new. So it sounds like I'm saying darling. Like, all right, anyways. Got my coffee. Go drink that, take this home. But anyways, guys, I hope you learned something in this video. I hope you learned how to say some basic phrases in Vietnamese so that you can survive here in Vietnam. Order some food, get what you need to get, not get ripped off, get the right price, and be able to eat that food like a local. Thanks again, guys. I want to thank my Patreon members, my executive producers, We64 and Kimber, and my crew members, Thanner, David, Jonathan, Justin, Matt, Matthew, and Nathan. Thank you guys so much. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Hope you guys liked this one. If you did like it, click the like button, subscribe to the channel to support the growth, and leave any comments. I'm really happy to hear from y'all. And I'll see you in the next vlog. Peace.